In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue where your music stops playing whenever you open another app on your iPhone. Let's jump right into it. Adjust per app settings. Open the Settings app. Go to Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down and tap on Per App Settings. Add the problematic app. Tap Add App. Browse the list and select the app that causes the music to stop. Modify the app's settings. Once added, tap on the app name again. Scroll all the way down and tap Autoplay Video Previews. Set it to off. Repeat these steps for each app that interrupts your music. Second method is to disable microphone access. If the first fix doesn't work, try this. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on the app. Scroll all the way down until you see your list of installed apps. Tap the problematic app. Disable microphone access. In the app's settings, toggle off microphone access. Restart the apps. Close both the music and the problematic app. Then, try playing music again. That's it. One of these solutions should stop your music from cutting out when opening other apps.